Hi guys, it's Trev, body mechanic from Absolute Fitness, and this is my Idiot on a Motorbike series. So the video you're going to see now is after I've been out on an advanced lesson. So I'm following the instructor and I'm commentating on his riding based off some of the feedback that he's given me. Okay, so here it is.
Let's see how good Colin rides. That's it. That's nice. He's doing the speed limit lovely there. 30 mile an hour zone. Position there at P2. Checking round. We slowed there for that car just in case it took a bit of a wide berth. Good, good. Navigated that junction well, did Colin. Positioning out there to P3 for this left-hand bend. Back into P2 as the car comes back. Good observation there of the hazard. We've got a hazard in front. He's checking his mirrors, signal. That's it, nice. Over it. Oh, we're going right though. Obviously there's no traffic, so that's safe to do. Coming round that bend nicely. Now back into that, using the road well to keep it as straight a line as possible. Nice. That's good riding, Colin. It's shifting in a bit as well. Positioning again, P1. Coming into this bend, yeah, nice. Positioned over for that side of the bend nicely as well. Yeah. Good fluid riding. We're coming in the white lines now, so it's got himself back into P2. Just in the P1 for this right-hand bend. Navigated that bend lovely. Back out of P3 now. Good movement across the road. Really good. Back to P1 for this right-hand bend again. He obviously knows this road well. Breaking into this turn, a bit of a sharper turn for him. Nice. Easing back a bit for this left-hand turn, out at P3 though, nice. Oh, crossing the white line there. Yes, it's safe to do. Yes, you can ride anywhere on the road. I remember an instructor telling me that. Only if it's safe to do so, though. It's high hedge there, but positioned well. Crossed over to P1 and take this right-hand bend. Digging it round here lovely. Breaking down now, coming into that 30 zone. Holding that P2 nicely there. Could ride out at P3 here though, because it's quite safe to do so. Then you're away from that edge as much as possible. Then being hazards, of course. coming into this right hand bend, out to P1, coming round at P1, down to 30. Now obviously my positioning on the road is so I can observe what Colin's doing. I need to make sure I can see past him. It's nice riding though, he's riding very well overall. I'll forgive him crossing the white lines, it was safe to do so, so that's okay, we can live with that. Checking his mirrors there nicely, a signal. And then we're going to do our manoeuvre. Superb. The roundabout, quick check again, make sure there's nothing coming. Yeah. Here we go. Next little trip over, taking the cleanest line of run onto here. Restriction here, but there's no accelerating away. Signal manoeuvre there by Colin. And the mirror signal manoeuvre coming off. A little bit of motorway riding now. Bike control there, coming up to the roundabout. Kept good control so that we just pull straight out without having to come off the throttle. Still going round the roundabout. Holding his position there on that P1 nicely. Roundabout onto that M62 westbound. signalling.